Hey guys, it's Jessie here from Tonkadale. Just wanted to do a quick check-in and tell you about all the cool things we have available for you. If you're not already subscribed, I want you to head over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter. I'll just be like real transparent and tell you exactly what you do so you know what you're getting yourself into, but I don't want you to miss out because I love the content and I'm so excited about the content. I think it's really valuable and does add value to your plant journey. We send out 2 weekly emails. Our Wednesday email is more inspirational and informational, like if we have an event coming up or a promotion or a sale, new product, you'll get to see that and be inspired. We also have our weekly mini plant blog where we talk about care for a specific indoor plant. That comes out on Wednesdays in our Wednesday email. And then we've been doing a perennial of the week feature, which we'll continue to do throughout the summer, and that's in the Wednesday email. Our Saturday email is a little bit more in depth, where we feature our big blog for the week. So the big blogs are usually between 500 and 1,000 words on an in-depth, seasonally appropriate topic. You'll have that in your inbox Saturday mornings to enjoy with your coffee. We'll also have a weekly video and new product that's coming in store. Other ways to follow along, obviously social media, Facebook and Instagram, multiple posts per week. We have 1 or 2 plant shipments per week. Every Monday or Tuesday we get a delivery, and every other Friday or Saturday. Trucking is a little bit, hard to predict, so we're not exactly on time with unboxing every week, but you'll be able to see what's new and cool in the greenhouse if you're following along on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget about our plant care cards, which are all available on our website, so you can go and check those out when you have questions about how to care for a specific plant like a ZZ or a Monstera. Everything and anything, the information is there, and we wrote the care cards, so it's what we believe is the best plant care possible. Care cards are also available in stores. You can help yourself when you're shopping. Grab them for plants you're purchasing or plants that you may already have. So there's a great resource there as well. Everything that we're putting out is generated in-house, and it comes from our love for plants. We try to be really authentic and engaging and approachable. I write blogs. We have a couple of others who write blogs in-house, so the information is coming directly from us, and I think it's really fun and inspiring to experience that content on a weekly basis. So just a quick check-in to let you know where to get some great information to lead you on your gardening and plant journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale.